Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the iPhone Rotor for VoiceOver running iOS 17. So Rotor is a part of the VoiceOver function, and to use the rotor, all you have to do is use two fingers and you can flick up or down. So kind of like a walking
Quick settings allows you to access
so you flick up or down like this. So let's have a look. So here, so you can see this is the rotor. Rotor allows you to quickly access certain VoiceOver shortcuts. So I can switch up and down like this. So we got characters, words. So you use two fingers and you kind of like flip up and down like this.
Navigation, speaking rate. Containers.
So you do that in a clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you do it backward like this, it goes back this way. So it go anti-clockwise.
Settings, speaking rate, words.
So you can see it's going back or it can go up
rate,
like
containers,
that.
Headings.
And if you go into Rotor,
Rotor items, button.
You can also go into Rotor items. In here, you can choose to which items to include in the rotor. So here I can remove certain items that I don't use. So from controls.
Selected, form controls.
And then we can go down and include any items that you want to use.
Images, selected, images, characters, words.
So you can see we've got words,
speaking rate,
containers,
headings,
edit,
actions,
characters, words.
Rotor,
So let's take a look at an example. So I'm going to open up Safari. Okay, so here I'm in a Wikipedia. And let's say if I'm going to use my rotor and go to words. For the function words, I can swipe up or down to go to the next word.
Airplane, for the comedy.
So you do a flip like this. So you flip down, so you swipe down like this. This will allow you to go to the next word. If you want to go to the previous word, you go up. And here in the rotor, I can also go to characters, and that will go character by character. So I can swipe down. I can swipe up. So every time I swipe up or down, it goes to the previous or the next character, depending on which function that you use in the rotor. So here in rotors, I can go to speaking rate. 30%. And with this particular shortcut, I can swipe up or down to change the speaking rate. So here
25%, 20%, 15, 20%, 25, 30%, 35, 40%, 45%, 50%, 55%, 50%, 45%, 40%.
In here I can rotate to the next VoiceOver shortcut.
For the comedy lines.
So for lines, I can swipe down for the whole line.
See airplane. For other.
Now I can swipe down for the next line.
Uses. Airplane. An airplane. American English. An airplane.
And so that is how you can use rotor by simply using two fingers, swipe down clockwise or anti-clockwise. And you can also customize the items in settings. So in VoiceOver, rotor, and then rotor items. And in here, you can choose which items to include or exclude in your rotor's function. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.